Alright, what's going on, guys? You know, this is the first video of the motor we're working on. 5.3 Chevy Silverado. Here's the 5.3. Gonna bolt up a 480 to it. Just got off of work. Let's go into the old Tronquito over there. So alright, today we're gonna be tearing out the coil packs and the intake manifold, see what's going on.
Jumped in that gutter, Sachi shades, pushing blades, let the foes burn rubber. I swarmed in a swing, you know a nigga scream, hit the velvet and the king, Europeans with the screams, big old 420, everything cash, glass top red, fuzzy wood in the dash, mashing on the gas, here's a thug like green, from boy, I see knock in the beam, showing naked ass and the story's about to kill, 1700 wet apple over silver, hit the school zone, 418 shook it, caught that little dude sideways, sitting crooked. Pulled the next son, nothing less than supreme. Never slipping, but I'm flipping. Candy red on the scene. Flossing on the hoes, tossing on the women. Gotta pop the truck for that nigga pad limit. Alright, we throwing up the juice and giving niggas bad. You know the south side acting bad on the snap. We throwing up the juice and giving niggas bad. You know the south side acting bad on the snap. Alright, we throwing up the juice and giving niggas bad. You know the south side acting bad on the slam. Wood throwing up the juice and giving niggas stab. You know the south side acting bad on the slam. Ashes to ashes, dust to dust. Leak in the bus, sweets and touch. Marvin heavy in the Chevy, breaking concrete. Polo on my body and Nikes on my feet. Hold your horses, these are choices in the presence of a pair. Buckle up your belt through the southern Himalaya. Raise up off the dick because you see a nigga going overseas, blowing trees with a long hair, some more and Mary Jane on a plane. Ain't a damn thing changed. Piece of chain, diamond ring, cause I'm stole in the game. Back in 95, I was broke, catching tails. Fuck them all, I'm about to chop it up on the slab, cause I'm throwing it.
As you can see in here, I'm taking off these bolts, these ones right here, getting them loose so I can take the whole manifold off, because I made a mistake of taking off the fuel rails, which I didn't have to. I still got to retie them. Never had love for a bitch, I'm about my money. Too many years I done made the price, even if you think it'll make you my wife. I'm just worried about me. I'm not worried about you. I'm just worried about me. Yeah, all loose on this side. Now we still have the whole other side to go. Let's get that done. So this key power room I want to keep. Crazy. Don't do it. You can see it, grease and little. So I'm subject to water. Power plant. Keep it hard, hey, keep it hard, 3 steps, keep it hard, hey. So we got all those done. We still have these 2 lines to undo. underneath the throttle body. And let me get them done real quick.
Oh, that's fire. Got to be. That's that man. I hit it the worst way. After the first day, I'm eating it every day and twice on the Thursday. Blood thicker than water and pounds better than quarters. I'm smoking 2 joints while I'm knocking down your daughter. Dope House Records is on fire, so grab the extinguisher. I'm smoked out in the beamer, about to get emphysema. Gunslingers, rap singles with more stripes than the bingles. No need for the gang signs, I'm using my trigger finger. Why won't you roll one? Fold the pole one. Sometimes I'm real selfish and don't smoke my weed with no one. You know me, I'm young, happy P. Kick back and blow a sweet while my niggas move keys. Bitch, please, I got G. Sip Coronas with lime squeeze and platinum peas. And only smoke on the vine. In the car, I smoke 2 joints. I smoke 2 joints when I play video games. And every 10,000 points. I smoke 2 joints in time of peace and 2 in time of war. I smoke 2 joints before I smoke 2 joints, and then I smoke 2 more. Man, this killer herbs got me running over curbs and writing these raps.
All right, I think I missed something. But we need to get this whole setup off, and then, this whole setup off. All right, I think I missed something when I was putting this on. So this whole line comes from that EGR bullshit. We had to take that whole assembly off because I don't know what the hell that goes to. So I'll see you doing that.
Got the draw, happy P, we run the row and shut them down. We live and grow, we got the keys, we got the bones. Hit it, run me the theme. Hold your breath and feel my steam. Since Diamond came around, now she down with her team.
Now I'm down with Bobby Brown, but I love Al Green. Keep a sweet in my mouth and another in my jeans. About to blow him back to back, taking 2 to the dome. Homegrown, hydroponic, always want to get blown. Stay stoned, off the mode, drop a flow, rock a show. Got to go out the door, popping hoe out the clothes. Nose hits, roach grips, place the pink in my eye. And I'm always down to try to waste the reach for the sky. I smoke 2 joints when I wake up. In the car, I smoke 2 joints. I smoke 2 joints when I play video games. And every 10,000 points. I smoke 2 joints in time of peace and 2 in time of war. I smoke 2 joints before I smoke 2 joints. And then I smoke 2 more. Now I be blown, I'm older 1, but less than 3. That's the recipe, yes indeed. Blowing ooey gooey's a necessity. Don't question me, blowing heavily till I'm 70. That's the remedy. Feeling famous like a Kennedy. From here to Tennessee, sipping Hennessy, smoking with intensity. Feel my ghetto energy. Fools be sweating me for that Russian and that Lebanese. I been getting high in the hills of Beverly. 2 joints of Smiley in my caddy, from the valley to Cali. In the alley, serving patties, Hasselback federati. Dripping candy, sipping brandy, 20 inches look fancy. On my way to the Grammy, hoes dropping their panties. Got a freak named Sandy, making hits like Sammy. I'm posted up with biscuits and chicken fried steak at Granny's. Smashing off with my for show, got my TVs on glow. Smoking 2, smoking 4, then back door with 2 more.
Alright, we got that off.
Me and Ron see y'all in your motherfucking shit, nigga.
The leprechaun. Damn it, man. Fuck. Hold on. Alright, there we go. We're good. Alright, so the good thing to keep in mind is labeling your bolts. That's a good thing to do if you ever get a chance to, because that's one of the best things. So when you're not confused when you're in the middle of something like that, because I know it's gonna be a pain. Alright. So I got a sweet treat for all you guys. This episode, you don't have to wait. We're taking off the heads. We're seeing how good this engine really is. Well, we're not taking off the whole heads. We're just taking off the valve covers. Seeing what's really going on. You came just in time, man. And look at our special guest today. Look at our special guest today. Got that fucking RT.
You look like a bum too.
RT Glenn tearing down the engine. Hey, I tore off the fucking intake manifold. I'm finna tear off the valve covers. See what's going on. Thing so far. Definitely ran a bunch of miles.
Let me hook you up. Quickly use that.
All right. Thank you.
Actually, I think it's gonna die, so use the sparingly.
What are we working with? Alright. Hey, I don't think that looks too bad. It looks dry as hell though.
That don't look bad. I don't like the rust right there.
The rust? We got a little bit of rust on these. But overall, they look pretty good. We know for a fact the engine turns over, so pretty good. Yeah. We got the Milwaukee. What you see here? That shit's fucked. A little bit of rust.
You wanna get the heads up?
What's Glenn's diagnosis?
Give me a 10.
Alright, you gonna do me a favor? Watch how these cylinders spin over. Ooh, like butter, man. Motherfucking butter. Dog. Alright, I got a little bit carried away with tearing down the engine and we ended up with this. Broke it down straight to the, broke off the heads, took everything out, all this stuff. Looks pretty good. Spins over really great. Took all of this stuff off. Got the heads, valve covers, power steering pump, AC compressor, and these fucking moisture bullshits. And also whatever the fuck that is. And also the intake plate that intake manifold sits on. Dog, I cannot wait for it. It's going ram. Gonna be some mean ass build.